Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey. This afternoon we're going to take a look at our new 2020 32-foot Boston Whaler Vantage. This is a new boat. We'll go over some of the options on her. Twin 350s. Underwater lights. Tell by the lights in the back. Has joystick. Shore power. Rod holders across the top. Does have the shore shade. There is an enclosure for the boat. We have not put it on yet. Boarding ladder, transom door, hatches in the hard top. We'll go inside and we'll take a look at this boat. As we enter the 32, you'll see the walk-through transom door. This boat does have a dive door with a ladder, handrail that flips around. This boat does have the aft seat. It's a fold-down seat. It's very large. It has a lounge seat which goes to many positions. They will lay flat. They will create a bench. These are great seats. In front of it, the companion seat, wide enough for two people. The helm seat. Both those seats are bolstered. The refrigerator, the sink, the live well, the stove, or I should say grill. This boat has the Raymarine hybrid touch, 16-inch screen, vessel view, the Mercury's, active trim, Raymarine VHF, fusion stereo. This boat is a joystick boat. This boat is fully loaded with electronics and ready to go. Forward, does have the cushions to make into a sun pad for the seating area. There is a freshwater wash down forward. Boat does have a windlass. Take a look in the head. One of the great things about this boat is it's separate from the head. There is an area to get out of the weather. Go inside, relax. That does go down to a bed. Two separate areas on the boat. Overall, the 32, big boat for its size. Hard top with the hatches in it. Plenty of speed. Once you use the joystick on this boat, you'll be a believer. Overall, the 32 Boston Whaler, just a great boat. Thank you for looking.